Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Kurdene wireless earbuds. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is unpair from all devices. So on your smartphone or other devices, go to Bluetooth settings, delete or forget the Kurdene S8 from the list of paired devices. Then from here we need to power off the earbuds. So place both earbuds back into the charging case and then close the lid. Alternatively, if they're out of the case, press and hold the touch sensitive area on the earbud until the LED indicator turns off. Then we need to initiate the reset. So take both earbuds out of the charging case. Again, they'll automatically power on. Then press the touch sensitive area on both earbuds 4 times quickly. The LED indicators will flash red and blue alternately, indicating that the reset is successful and the earbuds are in pairing mode. Then we need to repair the earbuds. So on your device, turn Bluetooth back on, search for available devices and select Kurdene S8 to pair.